still is far away, and maybe we'll come back again. I guess there is no one to blame. We're living one. Will things ever be the same again? It's the final countdown. The final countdown. We're rolling for Venus, and still we stand tall. 'Cause maybe they've seen us, they've seen what goes on. With so many light years to go, and things to be found. I'm sure that we all miss her so. It's the final countdown. Final countdown.
The good news is, you look good. The bad news is, it was horrible. And whoever is advising you, I would fire. You're never in a million years going to win a show like